Welcome to a gentle yoga flow for restoration and relaxation. If you're looking to just chill, relax, and get into your body, this is the flow for you. Let's come into a seated position, whatever seated position you feel most comfortable with, and begin with our 3 grounding breaths. These breaths are designed to ground you in this present moment and get you prepared for the practice. On each inhale, you're going to expand your belly, and on each exhale, you're going to contract your belly. Next, we're going to get into our neck, and from left to right shoulder, roll your head all the way around. If you have any discomfort in your neck, you can completely avoid this aspect of the flow and just focus on breathing and grounding yourself even more. Whatever we do on one side, we must do on the other for balance. So we're going to roll our neck in the opposite direction. Just get a restorative neck stretch for all those moments where you were sitting or standing for a long period of time, or sleeping and you may feel tightness in the neck. Next, we're going to stretch out our left hand and place it gently on the mat. And if you feel comfortable, bring your right ear to your right shoulder and bring some gentle movements into the neck. So on each inhale, you're going to lift your head back. And on an exhale, you're going to bring your head down. Repeat on the other side. Right arm out, left ear to the left shoulder. Exhale when your head goes down, and inhale to bring your head up. Notice how this feels in your neck. Notice a slight stretch in your shoulder. Give gratitude and thanks for you taking time for your body. We're going to inhale and bring our hands up to meet at the top. And exhale, we're going to side stretch to the left. Left hand on the mat, right arm goes up in the air. Whatever we do on one side, we must do on the other. So now we're gonna inhale and bring our arms up. Exhale, side stretch to the right. Sit here in this position for as many cycles of breath as you would like. This is a restorative flow, so we're going to hold poses. We're going to do gentle poses and hold them. Whenever you're ready, inhale and come back to the center. Now we're going to make our way to our cat and cow. So we're going to come onto all fours. Make sure your hands are underneath your shoulders and your knees are underneath your hip. And inhale for cat, push your spine in. Exhale for cow, push your spine outward towards the ceiling. Inhale, belly to the ground. Exhale, spine to the ceiling. Just getting into our spine to help help with posture, to help with spinal strength and mobility, flexibility. Next, we're going to come into puppy pose for a back stretch. On an inhale, we're going to loosen our body up. And on an exhale, we're going to come back to our first child's pose of the flow. Inhale here and stay in this child's pose for as long as you see fit. Now we're going to get into our shoulders. So you're going to inhale, rise up, bring your right arm underneath your left arm for a shoulder stretch. Breathe here for as long as you need. Deep inhales and long, deep exhales. This is called threading the needle. You're simply placing one arm underneath the other. We're going to come back to center on an inhale. Exhale, drop back down into child's pose. Inhale, left arm goes up and underneath the right arm for another shoulder stretch and a slight spinal twist. Remember to stay here for as long as you see fit. This is your time for you. This is a gentle flow. You don't have to force anything. Just take time for you. Next, we're going to come up to all fours and prepare for downward facing dog. You can walk out the legs if you'd like for a gentle hamstring stretch. Pedal the feet for as long as you'd like. You can roll your head from side to side to get into the neck as well. Come back up to a static downward facing dog. And exhale, come into a plank. Come down to your chest. And on an inhale, come up for cobra. Our first cobra, our first back bend of the flow. Inhale, come back into child's pose, a wide leg child's pose. If you see fit, you can decide to put a pillow, a yoga block, or a blanket underneath your chest for support. You can bring your head, your cheek, or your forehead, your cheeks to the mat if you like. Bring your arms up in front of you. Breathe deeply here for as long as you'd like. This is your time. On your next inhale, you're going to come back up and make your way back into a comfortable seated position. did it. I'm so proud of you. Give thanks and gratitude for showing up for yourself today. On your next inhale, you are going to bring your arms up, bring them to touch at the top, and exhale, bring them down to your heart space. Thank you for showing up for you today. I look forward to flowing with you again. Thank you. I love you. Peace. Like, share, subscribe for more yoga, meditation, and holistic health content. I'll catch you on the next video.